Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Vidya Bal Bhavan Senior Secondary School. So today we are going to prepare for Mother's Day special on song Aisa Kyun Ma from movie Neja. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for the first step, we have to sit like this, and first we have to tap our legs one by one 8 times, and our head should be down. Next we have to grab a finger like this and stand on our knees and take 3 to 4 steps like 1 2 3 4. And after this we have to take a position like we are holding something in our hands and do these steps. And then take a round. After this, first use your left hand and right hand for this step, like left, right, and next. Then use your right and left hand for this step. Now rub your face from right side, then left side. Now take support of your hand and make a 90-degree angle like this.
उंगली पकड़ के फिर से सिखा दे, गोदी उठा लेना माँ, आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ देना, मैला सा लागे जहाँ.
Now take a slide from right side, then from left side. One step forward from right side, one step forward from left side. After this, make a circle from hands like this. First from the right side and from the left side as well. Step right, left and take a round and take support of your right hand to get up like this. After this step, hold your right ear and pull it slowly and do this step. Then step is left, right, and point finger like this. Then the step will start from the left leg and from the right leg. And don't forget to use your hands as well. Now move to the last step like 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to do this step for 8 times. And now move to the music.
आंखें दिखाए मुझे जब जिंदगी, याद मुझे आती है तेरे गुस्से की, डांटा भी तो तूने मुझे फूलों की तरह, क्यों नहीं माँ सारी दुनिया तेरी तरह. उंगली पकड़ के फिर से सिखा दे, गोदी उठा लेना माँ, आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ देना, मैला सा लागे जहाँ. आंखें दिखाए मुझे जब जिंदगी, याद मुझे आती है तेरे गुस्से की, डांटा भी तो तूने मुझे फूलों की तरह, क्यों नहीं माँ सारी दुनिया तेरी तरह.